The Yamaha RX 100 is more than just a motorcycle, it is an emotion for millions of riders across India and around the world. First introduced in the 1980s, it quickly became an icon, celebrated for its raw power, lightweight design, and unbeatable performance. After decades of longing, Yamaha has finally answered the prayers of enthusiasts with the Yamaha RX 100, 2025, a modern rebirth of the classic legend. This comeback is not only nostalgic but also a bold statement in the evolving motorcycle industry. Design and styling, a blend of retro and modern. The 2025 RX 100 carries the DNA of its predecessor but embraces a refreshed identity. Yamaha has given it a neo-retro look, keeping the iconic slim body and minimalist design intact. The round headlamp, chrome-finished elements, and slender fuel tank instantly remind us of the original. At the same time, modern touches like LED lighting, digital instrument cluster, and alloy wheels ensure that it appeals to today's generation. The RX 100 manages to strike the perfect balance between vintage charm and modern-day sophistication. Engine and performance, power with efficiency. One of the most awaited aspects of the RX 100's return is its engine. The original was famous for its peppy two-stroke performance, but with stricter emission norms, Yamaha has re-engineered the motorcycle with a single-cylinder, 4-stroke, 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine. This new heart produces impressive power while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Riders can still feel the adrenaline rush with quick acceleration and a sporty exhaust note that pays homage to the original. The RX 100, 2025, promises to be an everyday commuter with the soul of a street racer. Riding dynamics, lightweight and agile. The biggest strength of the original RX 100 was its agility, and Yamaha has kept this spirit alive. The 2025 model uses a lightweight frame, advanced suspension setup, and disc brakes at both ends. Its low curb weight makes it extremely rider-friendly, especially in city traffic. The handling is sharp, responsive, and fun, ensuring that even younger riders who never experienced the original RX 100 can understand why it became a cult classic. Technology and features, modern convenience. Unlike the bare-bones original, the RX 100, 2025, comes packed with useful features. Riders get a fully digital speedometer, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation assist, and even riding modes for urban and highway conditions. Safety is also a priority, with dual-channel ABS and traction control enhancing rider confidence. Yamaha has succeeded in giving a retro motorcycle the modern-day luxuries riders expect in 2025. Market position and rivalry. The 2025 RX 100 enters a highly competitive segment. It will take on motorcycles like the Bajaj Pulsar, TVS Raider, and Honda Shine, but what sets it apart is its legendary status. Yamaha isn't just selling a motorcycle. It is selling nostalgia wrapped in modern engineering. With an expected competitive price, the RX 100 could dominate the market once again, just like it did decades ago. Conclusion: a legend reborn. The return of the Yamaha RX 100 is more than just a launch, it is a celebration of motorcycling history. The 2025 version respects its roots while embracing the future, offering style, performance, and technology in one package. For the older generation, it's a chance to relive their golden days, and for the younger generation, it's an opportunity to experience the magic of a true legend. The Yamaha RX 100 is back, and it is ready to rule the roads once again.